that's the last of them. Hello everybody, and welcome back, or welcome to Creative at Home. It's Leah, and today we are going to be organizing my huge paper squishy collection. And you might be asking,
Leah, why are you posting not on a Friday? You always post your long videos on a Friday.
well, guess what? It's summer, and I just finished school. So I have a ton more free time. So yeah. So now I have a ton more time to film, and we are also starting our new series called Summer of Squishies. And basically, I'm going to try and post every week on a weekday. I'm still going to be posting Friday videos. This is just an extra video. I'm going to try for every week, but if I can't, I will definitely post the next week of a Summer of Squishies episode. And it's going to be like challenges, tutorials. I have a couple collabs. So yeah, I just thought we would start this awesome series off with organizing my huge paper squishy collection. Most of them are realistic, but a couple of them, like the older ones, are like food. I don't know. And there's also some 3D desserts. So make sure you subscribe and comment down below #CreativeAtHomeFan. And also make sure you like this video and go check out DJW2708's channel and Cameo's channel. So let's get into organizing these paper squishies. Okay, so starting up on this shelf, I'm going to put some of like my squishies I like more. I don't know. I'm going to put this Frosted Flakes. I'll come over here. And in the back, I'm going to put my cereal squishies that I made with like a whole sheet of paper. So I'll put this Frosted Flakes one here. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Back here. And this Oreo's cereal. And then I'll put some of my bags. So is Doritos, nacho cheese. And then I'll put these Nerds gummy glusters. I'll put this Airheads soft filled bites, which was, I used memory foam for it, and I filled all the air holes so it was really stiff, but I cut a hole in it and it's like super soft. Also, I made a short of me organizing these, but I thought I would do it in a real video, because, I mean, you can't really fit a lot into 60 seconds, so. This Laffy Taffy bag up here. Of course, we gotta put the cotton candy Twinkies. This is one of my favorites. The Sweet Tart Ropes. The Funfetti Cake Mix, which I really like. Put that right there. This one, I kind of wish I made it 3D, but it's actually pretty squishy like this. So, and also the markers I use are watercolor markers. So I use the same marker for this one as I did for this one, like the background. And as you can see, it kind of like fades over time. So Sweet Tart Ropes Cherry Punch can go here. Oh, also I didn't squish this one. This one has memory foam in it. Blow pop one up here. I'll put it behind the Funfetti Cake Mix. Probably my favorite, which is this Party Little Bites. We need some more on this side. I need to find. Here I've got two more to put up here. This birthday cake Oreos. birthday cake Oreo, which originally wasn't that squishy, but I like it. It's super squishy and like slow rising. And this Oreo didn't really turn out that good, but I'll put this one right there. And I'll also put this Fruit Gushers, which nobody has ever seen before. I'll put that one. No, I'll put that right here. Okay, so that concludes the shelf, which kind of has like some of my favorite ones. Now moving down to the shelf over here. Okay, so up on this horse hook right there, I'm going to put in the back, I'll put this Jumbo Bear Pancake with packaging, and I got this idea from Flow Paper Squishies. And also this Minnie Mouse 3D cake roll. Please give me credits if you do this one. And then on top, in the back, I'm going to put this vanilla banana pudding cereal. If you did this one, give me credits. If you've done it, which I haven't seen anybody do it, tell me down in the comments. And I'll also put these original Cheez-Its, which is kind of an old one, but I don't know, I still like it. And then I will also put this Kit Kat key lime pie, which I don't know if anybody's done this. You can check or let me know in the comments, but this one's not that squishy. I'll put this Yoo-Hoo strawberry milk up here. This one's super squishy. Put that one up there. Staying straight, boy. I've got to put one of my most realistic ones, I'm pretty sure. It's this Whoppers Reese's. Give me credits for it, 'cause I haven't seen anybody else do it. Again, if you have, tell me in the comments. It's super realistic, though. Like, yeah. Well, the Fruit Gushers just fell down, and I'll fix that. So, I think, and also, I'm going to put my gum series from my Gum Paper Squishy blind bags. My least favorite is the common one, which is the Juicy Fruit. Here. And then my second least favorite is the Confetti Cake Pop. This was the ultra rare. And then the rare was a sweet watermelon, which is my favorite because it's so squishy. And I think that's everything for the top shelf. Yeah. Okay, so moving down to this shelf. Okay, so on here I'm going to be putting my small cereals, like the ones like that they're like smaller than the big ones. I'll put those small cereals and also some of my like drinks and 3D ones. Okay, so in the back I'll put my least favorite, which is Trix cereal. Put this one back here, and then I'll put this Kisses cereal. Put that in there, and then I'll do this Funfetti cereal, which I did for a collab with Squishy Bonds. Go check out her channel. She's at like 21, 22 subscribers, I think. So go subscribe to her, Funfetti cereal. And then in the front, I'll put this Lucky Charms, which isn't that squishy. It was, I think, my first cereal one. But it's really colorful, and I kind of wanted it in front. And then I have two more I want to fit on the sides. This one is Fruit Loops, which I used pillow stuffing for. I recently made this like last week. And I realized I put the yellow on the P instead of the O, but put that right there. And then this one I just made yesterday. It's this Donuts cereal. Please give me credit for this if you do it. It's pretty good. I really like how it turned out. So this one right here. And then for the 3D ones, in the back I'm going to put this purple boba. Put that one right there. And then I'll put this Jif peanut butter. Give me credits for this one because I haven't seen anybody do it. I really like this one. It's super squishy even though I used grocery bags. And then I'll do this Sprite, which I remade because my little brother wanted the original. And I had used grocery bags for that one, but I refilled this one with polyfill. So that goes right there. So that's that shelf. Then moving on to the second shelf. In the back, I'll put this Sour Patch Kids cereal, which I don't really like, but I'll put this back here. And then I'll put this Lifesaver gummies, which I don't really like because I used all the wrong colors. And it's just super hard. And then this failed Skittles, which has a rip in it. I should probably fix that. Let me just... Okay, fix that rip. That can go like that. I'll also put this. I'll put this Pop-Tart Strawberry Shake, which I realized I spelled strawberry.
Everybody makes mistakes.
I'll put this mint chip ice cream cone. And I did a short on this, and I will only do a tutorial if we can get that short to 100 likes. It's not quite there yet, so go like it. Put that there. And I'm also going to put this Go-Gurt Sour Patch Kids flavored. I've seen people do like a different design of this, but I haven't seen people do this design. Put that one right there. And then I'll put, in here I'll put, where'd that go? I'll put the Swedish Fish, which was my second, it was like my second realistic squishy, so it was pretty good. And also this Sour Patch Kids watermelon flavored, which kind of failed, like down here, but and then I'll put this, where'd that go? Oh, this Icy Slush Orange, which I haven't seen anybody do, so give me credits for this. And I'll also put this Eggo home style waffles here. Okay, now moving on to the bottom shelf. Okay, this is the best view I can get of the bottom shelf. But in the back, I'll put this jumbo watermelon, which is kind of old, but and it's bursting open. But put that back there, and I'll also put this Peeps pancakes and syrup flavored, which is super slow rising. I don't know, it turned out a little messy, but still pretty good. And then I'll put this macaroni and cheese box, which I don't really like. Put that one there. And I'll also put this unicorn rainbow sherbet fluffy stuff. And also this one, which I don't know, I don't really like. It's this Haribo Happy Cola Gummy Bears. I really rushed it and it came out super messy, like the taping up here. And like it's just messy. But it's pretty squishy, so that's good. So I'll put that right here. And I'll also put this one, which I really like. It's this Funfetti Cake Mix Spring Edition. Put that one there, along with this Welch's Fruit Snacks bag. And I'll also put this chocolate rainbow cake with a slice in it. Here's the slice, and here's the cake. I'll put this. Oh, and I'll also put this tropical tie-dye fruit roll-up. Put this back here. This one's pretty old, and I forgot to color this part, so I'll put that behind the Peeps now everything's falling down. And I'm also going to put this failed cupcake. The cupcake part turned out good, but the frosting did not. Sorry for the background noise. I don't even know what's happening.
Down there.
Because, you know, gotta film it at home. Yeah, I might just do like a muffin series and not do the frosting. If you have a better way to do that, tell me in the comments, because, yeah, I don't know. I'll put this one like back up here. And then I also have these two drinks. I have this Dairy Queen Blizzard. Give me credits for this. My blue marker was like running out as I was doing it, so put this one here. And then I'll also put this grape Fanta here. That's right there. And then the two I have left is this Jelly Bean low-fat milk, which is so weird. I really wanted to make a milk carton, but I didn't want to make like chocolate or strawberry milk. So I searched up weird milk flavors, and this came up and it caught my eye, so it's not that squishy, but we've got this Jelly Bean milk, and this one which I made today, which is this Jolly Rancher bubblegum blue raspberry flavored. I'm gonna make the watermelon one soon, so I'll add a little clip of that one in and show where I put it when I make it. So I just gotta find a place to put these. So I'll show you where I put these in a few seconds. So I ended up putting the Jolly Rancher bum right here and the Jelly Bean milk here. I still have a few squishies left, so I'll just put them in this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed number 1 of Summer of Squishies. This is going to be happening all summer from today until the end of August. So be prepared for a lot of tutorials and collabs and challenges. And I always love organizing my paper squishies. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn all notifications on. And I'll see you in my next Friday video. Bye guys!